Nature walk. Mrs. Asthana is our EVS teacher. We are taking a nature walk with her. We see many things. We see white clouds floating in the sky. We see a pond. We see plants and animals. Some plants are big, some are small. Very big plants are called trees. Mango, gulmohar, banyan are some big trees we see. Grass, rose, cactus are small plants. Some plants have thorns like cactus and rose. Some plants are very weak. They need support to stand straight. Such plants are called climbers. The money plant and sweet pea are climbers. Plants give us many useful things. Vegetable, fruits, perfumes, jute, cotton, medicines, rice, tea,